Okay, I'm trying to do this video as fast as possible. It's only 10% power left on this bloody thing. But, I want events. Yep, 15% power. That might actually be enough. Okay, ouch. Stop having sex. Okay, see if I can get some introductions done. So I'm over here at this event in the middle of Kirkland. And over there you can see people playing dive kick. Yeah, if I stupid. Okay. Yeah. Oh my god, someone's playing some bass. That is bold. Can feel the storm! Anyway. Okay, so oh, right, yes.
Creativity aspect, I see that being taken over very near the end.
Well, he makes a couple of good points about that. Like, you can't employ everyone.
Someone that
Not everyone likes to be in a position.
Sure, yeah.
Love you. Economically,
I might be wondering what I'm trying to do, but give me a second.
Sure.
Just kind of do some Bob here.
Yes. But, I mean, I think people will start finding out.
Spider?
Not a mosquito. I don't know what that is, but it's not a mosquito.
It's not a mosquito.
I think it's going to
It has been assassinated.
Alright.
Problem solved.
It's not a mosquito, it's dead. That's what it is. I was trying to use this really blurry video thingy to make something just to say how you do to everyone on my Facebook page.
Oh, totally, yeah.
You want to just like, and you can squeeze your face in there. It's kind of a graphic camera. It's not really recording things, it's actually recording right now.
Oh, it is right now. Okay, so hello everybody on the Facebook page. I'm Dan. I'm from Extra Credits. I'm with him.
Yeah, this guy.
Hi.
I could automate this
What else are we saying?
to the point where she
whatever you want.
Okay.
Those guys, I mean, when they came there,
Hello to all of you.
Okay.
It's late today. I'm not about it.
I don't blame you. I'm actually at the same using coffee myself.
Yeah.
But like, are you a bosses?
Yeah, I'm trying to decide if now is like alcohol time or coffee time.
Because it comes down to which one you want more. You want to be wired more, or do you want to have the strange urge to randomly piss more?
Like, which one's going to keep me going more right now? I can't decide.
Well, you could be like that little girl and go, why not both? Although I have the feeling it might have a side effect.
Yeah, that'll come back. Alright.
Oh boy.
I'll see what my wife wants. That'll be easier to pick.
Okay. Alright. Okay, guys. Yeah. Danny, dude. James is down in the room. I might see if I can do something with him as well. But first I have to get back to charging this tablet. They're going to be here about another hour or two, so stay tuned.